Welcome back to Product Critique, your destination for honest, hands-on product breakdowns. Today we're looking at the best soda maker carbonation machine sparkling water system currently on the market, the Philips Sparkling Water Maker, model ADD4901BKOQ37. If you're looking to elevate your hydration game while ditching single-use plastic bottles, this machine might be your next best buy. This sparkling water maker by Philips is a sleek, electricity-free carbonation machine that turns regular cold water into refreshing fizzy goodness with just a few quick presses. It comes with a BPA-free 1-liter carbonating bottle and is compatible with standard 60L screw-in CO2 carbonator cylinders. Although take note, the CO2 cylinder is not included in the box. One of the standout things about this model is its quick twist installation design, which is Philips' newer version for faster, more secure bottle connections. This means you're not fumbling or forcing anything. It's a smooth, twist in action that locks the bottle in place reliably every time. Design-wise, it's got a compact, countertop-friendly frame with a minimal, modern aesthetic. The exact dimensions are 9.4 inches deep, 7.8 inches wide, and 18.6 inches high, so it fits under most kitchen cabinets without any clearance issues. The body is made from durable plastic, giving it a lightweight yet sturdy feel. The bottle itself is thoughtfully constructed too. It's airtight and pressure-resistant, helping preserve carbonation longer. Just make sure to rinse it before your first use. Operation is straightforward. Start by filling the provided bottle with cold, clean water between the marked lines. Then twist the bottle into the machine. Press down on the carbonation button, once, twice, even 3 times depending on how bubbly you want it. The advanced carbonation mechanism gives you consistent results without electricity, which also means you can use it anywhere, even outdoors. Philips has engineered the machine to give you controlled fizzing with each press, so you're not guessing or over-carbonating. This is great for people who like sparkling water tailored to their taste or for those who want to add syrups or flavors for custom sodas. As mentioned earlier, you'll need a standard 60L CO2 screw-in carbonator, which is sold separately. Philips recommends joining their refill program, where you can find compatible cylinders at most major retailers. Each CO2 cylinder can make up to 60 liters of sparkling water, potentially replacing 120 single-use plastic bottles. So not only are you saving money long-term, but you're also making a more sustainable choice for the planet. Whether you're a daily soda drinker or just someone who wants to cut down on sugary beverages and try something healthier and fresher, this soda maker is a smart addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and eco-friendly carbonation system without the hassle of electricity or batteries, this is a standout pick. It performs well, installs easily, and looks great on any counter. While you'll need to invest in a CO2 cylinder separately, the overall value and quality more than make up for it, especially at a price that often dips under $50 on deals. That wraps up today's product deep dive. If you want more unfiltered reviews and real-world product breakdowns, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss out on our next video. This has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and stay fizzy.